What's up, guys? Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you were looking at a 2005 Suzuki Hayabusa. This is the big bad 1300cc sport bike. Guys, custom paint job, a lot of custom stuff on this bike. So for everyone that's asking me, is it all original? Absolutely not, it's not. Looks like the fender was like cut here. Let's see that. It's got this maroon paint job. The wheels are powder coated like a mustardy color. Oh, they have some serious dirt. Well, should have cleaned those. Now, I was told it's supposed to look like an Iron Man color combination with the bronzish, like the goldish yellow and the maroon. I'm not 100% sure on that. Don't quote me on it. Full Brox exhaust. This thing sounds amazing. It's all looking pretty clean, guys. I mean, obviously, when you replace everything, it's going to be clean. There's a couple little dots in the paint, if you can see that. Like a couple little dots around there. I mean, obviously, it's a custom paint job, so it's not factory paint. It's like textured on the inside, but it doesn't look like it was on accident. But it is textured on the inside. The windshield is painted as well. It looks pretty close to the same shade. Maybe a tad bit darker. Well, it looks pretty good up front. Everyone knows you don't buy this bike because, oh, we got scratches on the mirrors there. You can see that? Everyone knows you don't buy this bike to go slow. So the chances that this bike, you know, was gonna be not modded out is extremely low. Scratch right there. Got those gold forks, that's pretty cool. I think they all have that. Got the clear cover over here with some scratches down along there. Plastics look good on this side. It's got the gold plate underneath, like the skid plate underneath here. Battery tender port. So you saw it has some scuffs and scrapes, but it's not too bad. We got a little scuff up here on the top of the tank. Right there. Let's fire this beast up though. Choke down. Let's put this piece in neutral.
Yeah, do the best you can. I mean, we don't have to.
How you doing, sir?
I'm Jack. I'm Gary. Gary, nice to
Oh, that's all his beard.
Is Sean here?
He is. He's in there. Sounds so good. 16,521 miles on it. Full Brox exhaust, which sounds dope. It's got these gold levers, adjustable to shorter levers. So, like I said, 2005 Suzuki Hayabusa, 16,000 miles on it. Custom paint job. Soak that all in. Let us know if it's something you're interested in, guys. These bikes do not last long. Thanks a ton for watching, guys.